Hello, I am Katie, a naturalist for the Allegheny County Parks Department, and today we are searching for spring flowering ephemerals. So what are spring ephemerals? Well, these are the wildflowers that occur in the early spring before the trees fully leaf out. This is a really special time of year when the forest understory gets some sunlight, giving these plants enough energy to flower. So come along with me and let's see what we can find today. We have come across one of our most stunning spring wildflowers, the Virginia bluebell. Named for the flower's resemblance to little bells and their beautiful blue color, this beautiful flower is quite common in the forest understory here in Pennsylvania. Now, the flowers are blue once mature, but they actually start off as pink, and that change in color is triggered by changes in pH. So the color blue is incredibly rare in nature. In fact, of the world's 280,000 species of flowers worldwide, only 10% are blue. So definitely get out into the forest and enjoy this rare color before it disappears in the summer. And now we have come across one of Pennsylvania's most iconic spring wildflowers, trillium. So trillium come in a variety of colors from white to pink to red and even purplish. And here in Pennsylvania, we're so lucky to have 39 different species of trillium in our state. So interestingly, the red and the purplish trillium, the ones that are like toadshade and red, they actually don't have any nectar. So how do they get pollinated? Well, they entice pollinators by smelling like rotting meat. So they attract things like beetles and flies to come into the flower, and then they accidentally get some pollen, and that helps them pollinate. Now, the interesting thing about trillium is because they only get their energy from the early spring when there's sunlight hitting the forest floor, they are very slow growing. If you plant a trillium from seed, it's going to take about 7 to 9 years for it to flower, but it will live up to 25 years. Now, even though you think this is beautiful and you might want to take it home with you, just know that trillium will not survive if they are picked or eaten by deer. So a picked trillium is a dead trillium. So leave these beautiful things alone and you will see them cover the forest floor, and you can enjoy them until end of May here in Pennsylvania. Our last wildflower is probably one you have walked right past many times and never even noticed. This is wild ginger. Now, I know that you're looking at that and saying, Katie, that's not a flower, that's just a leaf. But you have to look a little closer. So to identify wild ginger, you can look for these adorable heart-shaped leaves that are quite fuzzy. And to find the flower, you have to actually look on the forest floor. The flower is hidden at the base of the plant, usually underneath of leaves. And it's shaped like a little jug. The color is kind of purplish brown. Now, it's at the base of the flower because, like trillium, this is going to be pollinated by beetles and by flies, and it's attracting them with a nasty scent. So a really cool flower that you might not even notice unless you are looking closely. Well, I think the Pennsylvania Wilds website said it best when they said that the spring ephemeral wildflowers are a reminder of the beautiful but fleeting moments of our lives. So I hope you're able to get out to the county parks and enjoy some wildflowers this season. Please comment down below any beautiful ones that you've seen, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.